The Kawasaki KLX300 is a great bike, and if you're looking to do any adventure riding or longer day trips, then you need a way to carry some additional luggage with you. So that's why we're installing these Tusk pannier and top rack kits on our bike today. The install process is simple to do. It's going to be similar for any of the 21 and newer KLX300s and the 300SMs. Now, some of the features of these pannier racks are they have a quick release system and a pannier to rack locking system for added security. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into it. To do this job, you're going to need 4, 5, and 6 millimeter Allens, 8, 10, and 13 millimeter sockets, and 10 and 13 millimeter combo wrenches. So this is everything that comes with your Tusk pannier with top rack kit. So you've got all the necessary hardware, and it's a good idea to lay everything out in order, and it's going to help you stay organized throughout the process. To start out, we need to remove the tool bag on the back. We've got 4 bolts that hold it in place. After that, we'll remove the 2 seat mounting bolts. Next, you want to locate hardware group A. So we've got the thinner and thicker spacers. The thinner ones we're just going to set on the rear fender in those slots. And then we've got the cross brace we're going to set on top of there. And these 2 thicker spacers, they're going to go on each side right where we remove those bolts that hold the seat into place. After that, we can install the M6 by 40 millimeter flange bolts. Those are going to go into the seat mounting locations. And all of this hardware as we go together is going to be left loose until the final step. Then we have the M8 by 55 millimeter button head bolts. Those are going to go through the top after we install a washer onto them. And then we've got the nylock nuts we'll install from the bottom. Next, we're going to remove both passenger foot pegs, and we'll use a 6 millimeter Allen to do that. Next, we're going to set the left side pannier rack in place, and starting at the lower mounting location, we're going to install our M8 by 16 millimeter button head bolt. And the 2 upper mounts are going to use the M8 by 20 millimeter bolts with the nylock nuts on the back side. And then we'll do those same steps on the other side. Next, we're going to attach the bumper with the M6 by 20 millimeter bolts. And we've got the nuts on the back side. Now we can set the top rack in place. We're going to install the 4 countersunk bolts with the nylock nuts on the bottom. Now that we have everything loosely installed, you want to go back through and tighten down all of the hardware. And that's all there is to installing the Tusk pannier and top rack kit on your KLX300. If you need one of these kits, they're available on our website. Again, they're going to work with most universal panniers, so go check out the options for that. And also, if you want to check out more helpful videos like our Tusk fender eliminator kit install video, go look that up on our channel and subscribe. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.